Guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm recreating the iconic Betty Rubble look from Flintstones, which this is kind of a bit of an inspired look slash recreation look because I was trying to see how I was gonna create an inspired look using colors inspired by the character, but I couldn't find any in terms for cartoons, so I actually found some pictures of Jane Krosky as this character, since she played Betty in Flintstones Viva Rock Vegas, I think it's called, like the movie. So yeah, I decided to base the whole Betty Rubble look on what she wore in the movie, and also try to make this as much of a inspired cartoon look as much as I can, since this was in the 60s. Like, we got the bold winged liner look and all of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll get into more information of how I recreated that outfit as well. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on to the makeup.
Starting with skin, I'm prepping my face with the LA Colors Moving Face Primer. I'm using the green shade mostly all over my face to cover up the acne redness I have, and using the white one on my forehead and also a little bit around my cheek and nose area. Next, I want a little bit more coverage with the redness I have from the acne, so I'm using the LA Colors Conceal Correct in the green shade and just applying areas where I have my acne spots at. And I'm blending it with this foundation brush right here, which is obviously meant for a foundation, but I like to use it to blend in my color correcting.
Hey everybody, this is the Twitch!
And I decided to go with a tinted moisturizer for this look. I'm using the one from Milani and just applying that all over my face. Next, I'm selecting the second shade right here from the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Concealer Palette. I'm just applying areas around my nose and also in areas where my acne spots are still showing a little. Setting the makeup on the face, I'm using this light translucent powder right here from Physicians Formula. To prep my eyes with some eyeshadows, I'm using the Pure Cosmetics Eye Polish in the shade Satin. I'm just applying it all over my eye area. And for the eye inspiration for the makeup, I'm taking this white eyeshadow right here from the LA Colors Metarama palette and just applying it all over my eye area. Next, I'm selecting this blue shade right here from the bottom and just packing it to the outer corners of my eyes and also blending this into my crease as well. I'm just reapplying some of that white eyeshadow back on the lids because I felt like we lost it in there. And just so the blue doesn't look too harsh in the crease, I'm blending it in with a clean, fluffy blending brush. For brows, I used the Pixie by Petra Natural Brow Duo in shade Soft Black to fill in my eyebrows by using the pencil side to fill them in and using the gel side to set the brows in place. For eyeliner, I'm using the Ellen Tracy Matte Black Eyeliner in the black shade, and it's not the best eyeliner, I would say. I am going to go over some liquid liner later, so don't worry about it. The black liquid liner, I'm using this one from W7, and I'm recreating a bold 60s liner look because the Flintstones were from the 60s, and a bold 60s liner is key for this look. Next, I'm going to be curling my lashes, and instead of going with some false lashes for today's look, I decided to try out the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara to see how long this can make my top lashes look without using any falsies. And you'll see in a second here on my first impression. There it is. And you can see how this made my top lashes look without using any falsies. And you can still recreate this Betty Rubble look with or without false lashes. For the blush and lips, you want to go with a soft pink or neutral corals. For the blush shade, I decided to go with Coralina from Milani. And I decided to go with a lip combo for this look. So first, I'm taking the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in shade Soft Pink and just applying it over my lips. And then I took Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Kiss Me Coral and just dabbing it onto the center of my lips. And I'm just blending the two lip colors together for that nice neutral corally pinky color. And there's the finished Betty Rubble inspired makeup.
Please enjoyed this Betty Rubble inspired makeup look. And as for what I came up with the outfit and everything, I found this blue dress sitting in my mom's closet. I was gonna wear a like blue tank top for this video because I thought I saw my mom have one, but I couldn't find it. So I was just kind of looking through her closet. I found this blue dress that kind of reminded me of Betty because there's a little ruffles on the bottom of the dress, and I also DIY'd this necklace. I know the seashell was attached to the dress, and there's little black straps around it, but I decided to make this into a necklace. So it's just a little seashells I found around the house, and some black yarn that I put around the seashell that has a little hole in it, and I just tied it to the back of my neck and all that. And also, if you want more, I guess try to find different ways to DIY your own Betty Rubble like outfit. You can always look on the internet for outfit inspiration. See, you can find other clothing items that around your house, or even go thrift shopping to find an inspired outfit. Or there's a tutorial I saw on YouTube on how you could make your own Betty Rubble costume using a t-shirt. So I'll put that in the link below if you want to check it out. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Comment below any other makeup tutorials you want me to do, and also if you want me to do Wilma as well. And until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!